Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You are going to begin by stopping the Windows Update service directly. First, make sure you are signed into an administrator account and you back up any open work. Open Services. MSC, find Windows Update WiiWaServe, right-click and choose Stop. Once stopped, open Properties and change Startup Type to Disabled. This prevents automatic restarts. This step immediately halts update downloads and installs, and it's the primary control point for the easy method. Next, you'll remove secondary triggers so updates don't restart on their own. Open Task Scheduler and disable tasks in Microsoft /Windows Update and Update Orchestrator. Then navigate to C /Windows /Software Distribution. Stop the service if needed and rename the folder or adjust NTFS permissions to prevent new files. Make sure to disable Update Orchestrator tasks that recreate scheduled jobs. If you're on Windows Home, use Registry Edits or a temporary gpedit workaround. These steps ensure updates remain blocked rather than briefly paused. Finally, reboot and verify that Windows Update stays disabled and no downloads start. Open Services. MSC and Task Scheduler to confirm your changes persisted. If updates resume, recheck that Update Orchestrator tasks are disabled and that Software Distribution folder permissions prevent writes. Undo recent changes one at a time to isolate the cause. Make sure you plan occasional manual updates for critical security patches. When ready, set Windows Update back to automatic or manual, and restart the WiiWaServe service to receive fixes safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.